Uh, what type business you?
Say that one more time. I'm sorry, the phone cut out. Rocky Boy.
Your business type? What type your business?
It's marketing.
Marketing. Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
You your agency or
What was that?
your agency have your digital marketing agency or buyer?
The digital marketing. What was that? I'm sorry.
Your company digital marketer?
Uh-huh. Yes, sir. That is correct. We do SEO. We've got web development.
Yes,
We've
yes.
got videography, photography. I mean, we do it all.
Okay, okay.
And then we actually have a team too. We've got a professional videography, photographer. Sorry. We've got social media management team, content creators, the
Yes,
web
yes.
dev team. So yeah,
Yes.
we've got a whole team, and I mean, it's busy. We're constantly getting these new clients, but a lot of them are startup companies. I'm trying to break into the bigger corporations. Where they've got a marketing budget, or it's hard for me to connect with the CFOs or the decision makers.
Yes, yes. You all social media marketed need social media free promotion and boost promotion all.
Okay, yeah.
LinkedIn promotion, social media, all social media promotion.
Okay. Wow. Okay. And what is that? The Are you talking sales navigator?
Have sales innovator have.
Have you noticed that is actually beneficial? I mean, is it worth getting the sales navigator on LinkedIn?
Yes, yes, have.
It is beneficial.
Yes.
Okay. So what would be some tips that you would suggest I do, to get these leads generated for
Yes.
bigger corporations?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so how can you help? I mean, is there something that you could do, or can we maybe work something out? I really don't know. I'm kind of new to everything. I've been in sales forever, but I've never done marketing sales.
You email marketing or social media marketing need? You need social marketing or email marketing?
So both,
Both.
yeah.
Okay, no problem. Uh, at first, scraping, all scraping website. Hmm. After lead generated on our CEO founder, uh, all email collect, phone number collect, and you send me location and industry type, hmm, company
Okay.
type, industry type,
Okay.
and location. Speak location. On our
Okay.
CEO founder.
Okay.
President, principal, collect. All information collect.
All right.
All collect and generate email after cool email connection all business owner.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Well, that sounds good. So, yeah. I mean, if you want to send me your email, I can send you an email on exactly what we're doing, and see if we can, you know, throw each other a bone or something. Yeah. We're just trying to generate as many leads as we possibly can.
Yes. Email campaign. Email campaign is good marketing and
Okay.
social media post uh, good good idea all. Social
Okay.
media post and email generate email and contact all business owner, company owner all.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That sounds good. All right. Well then, so how do you get started? What is the first thing that you do?
At first you uh, business business name and business type, send me business type and business name, industry
Okay.
type, business type, and
Okay.
location. And
Okay.
location.
Perfect. Okay. All right. Send me over. You just Skype me your email, and then I'll have my assistant email you over all those details.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Sounds good. I'll have her send that over immediately. Just send me your email as soon as possible, and we'll get that over to you.
My email send you.
What is that? Yeah.
Um,
Send me. Yeah. Just Skype it to me. Just Skype me your email.
okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Now,
Rocky Ball. I will.
now
You
I
send that
send you.
over. Huh? You send it already?
Okay, okay. I writing, writing.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
This my email and Gmail, Skype email.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna have my assistant email you those details over, and then we'll get back with you. Okay, Rocky Ball.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sounds good. Well, hey, I appreciate the time. If there's anything that we can do, reach out. This is my Skype. Obviously, you've got my direct line, so let's stay in contact, man. I need as much help as possible. I'm trying to figure this out. I'm new to everything.
Yes, yes.
All
Your
right.
company, real estate and manufacturing and others. Your
Yeah,
company type,
okay.
industry type, your
Industry
industry
types.
type.
Yep. Rescope marketing. So digital marketing. And then we're located in Utah. We're in Salt Lake City, Utah. Where are you located, Rocky Ball?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay, cool, awesome, awesome. I
You
have
know
to go try.
Bangladesh?
I
You
have
know
to go
Bangladesh?
out. What was that?
You,
Yeah,
you look cricket, play cricket. Look,
yeah,
Bangladesh is
yeah.
world of the cricket test. Uh, serial 10, top 10, 10 have
Oh,
Bangladesh.
yeah. Well, I do music. I'm actually an artist. I'm an entertainer
Oh,
as well.
I know that. You
Yeah.
like music, eh?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I do music. I write music.
Okay, okay, okay. Hmm.
Yeah, we'd like to come out there and do a live performance. Do you know anybody that does live performances out there or puts on shows?
Yes, yes. You have a YouTube channel.
Uh huh. Yes, sir. I'll send that to you. Let's see here.
Send me link, please.
Yes, sir. You got it. Here, I'm sending that right now. Uh, okay. There's the one with the videos, and then I'll send you this other one. It's got just the music.
Hmm.
What I think they took the songs off. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Okay. All right. And here's the other one. Okay. Well, go on ahead and check those out, and then I'm gonna get with my assistant, and we'll get back with you. Okay, we're gonna try to move forward, and let's see what we can do. All right.
Yes, you need your channel promote, YouTube channel promote. You need also you
No,
need
no, no. We
no
don't
need.
we don't need any of that. No, I
Mm.
what I need is a some type of a lead generation, or like
Okay, okay. Lead
you
generation.
like, yes, we need some type of leads for marketing, but I'll have my assistant send that over, and then we'll go from there. Okay, Rocky Boy?
This is your YouTube channel marketing or that's marketing?
No, that's totally separate. That's just what I do. I'm a signed artist. I'm a signed artist. I do hip hop and R&B music.
Oh, music marketing, music type marketing.
Uh-huh.
You
Yes,
have
sir.
need music type marketing and location, USA, all USA.
Okay, all of USA. Yes. Yep.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, how much lead you generate? How much? 1,000, 2,000 monthly or weekly?
I mean, I really don't know. I mean, even if we did, so this would just be for digital marketing, not for music marketing. So we would just try to get as many leads as we possibly can. New business owners, or major corporations, whatever it is. Anybody that needs SEO, web development, uh, videography, photography, or digital marketing.
Okay, okay. Digital marketing type owners need you.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Oh,
okay, okay. How much need you? How much? How much email need you?
how much what now?
How much email you need? How much? 1,000, 500, 2,000. How much need
How
email?
many emails? Like
You
contacts, email contacts?
contact email. Contact email. You need
Yeah, 500 to 1,000. I mean, that'd be
2,000.
awesome. Yeah.
Um, weekly or monthly?
I mean,
2,000.
we could try the monthly thing for at least, I mean, I'd even start out at a couple hundred, just to see how it works for the first week, and then if we get a good outcome, then we'll go with the couple thousand or whatever it is. But
Okay,
we want to
okay,
make sure we want to make sure it works first. You know what I mean?
okay, okay. At first, I suggest to at first new 500 leads. After you coming good result. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
After you increase your business, after you more contact information. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
Mm.
Okay, Rocky Bull. Well, then we'll stay in contact. I'll send my assistant over that information, and we'll get back with you. Okay.
Okay, okay. Uh, you you have Upwork account or Fiverr account? Buyer account have you?
No, I don't have either. Fiber.
Okay, okay, no problem. Outside marketplace, outside working, no problem.
Okay.
Uh, what type you uh, need money? What type you need? Send me money. What type you?
That I don't know yet. That's what we're gonna have to figure out. We got to see. We want to see first. How everything works, and then we'll talk about the money. And how much is that?
Uh, 500 lead, 500 lead contact information, business email, and location, and eh, 500 only. mm, 500 only. $70, 70 US dollar.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
We could probably work that out. Okay. So let me have her send that over, and then we'll get back with you. Okay. Because I've gotta approve it. I'm still the low guy on the totem pole. Okay.
okay, okay. No problem.
All right. Well, hey, I've got to jump into this meeting, so I will call you here in a little bit, or my assistant will email you, and then we'll go from there. Okay, Rocky Boy?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Well, we'll talk soon. All right.
All right.
Okay. I'll talk to you soon, boss man. Bye.